So real quickly, someone just asked a math teacher just asked a good question about how do I put exponents in a Google form, and they want to obviously not take a lot of time to do this. So what I did, I researched it real briefly on the internet, and I found this person shared this sheet out here, um, his Google sheet that has a lot of the superscripts exponents on here. This obviously is used for chemistry and something else as well, or physics. And but basically, go to the form, have this open as well. So if I was going to write like what is 10 to the third power, instead of trying to type 3 or shift command and all kinds of other buttons to hit third power, just go right to here, grab this cell here that has the superscript for 3, that's like the exponent. Okay, you're going to copy it by going Command C, or you can go the old-fashioned way and say Edit Copy, copy it, and go to the Google form, and you're going to paste it by hitting Command V. C and V are right next to each other on a keyboard, and then it just paste it right in there. So you see what is 10 to the third power there, and you're good to go. Again, that's just a quick way to do like the basic exponents, and I believe they go up there. This sheet has a lot of information, not everything on here, but there's a few fractions and stuff there as well. So hopefully you found this video useful, and it'll help you if you're trying to do something with math on a Google form.